Hello and welcome back. This is Safa. In this video, we learn advanced filtering techniques in MATLAB, which are essential for smoothing images and removing noise. Blur filters are used to smooth an image and reduce high-frequency noise. Let's see an example in MATLAB. We created an averaging filter of size 5 by 5 and applied it to the image K1. And you can see how the details are smoothed. Medium filtering is very effective for removing salt and pepper noise while preserving edge. Okay, MATLAB. Here we added salt and pepper noise and remove it using medium filtering. Okay, run. Notice the edges are preserved better than simple blur. And Gaussian filters use a weight average based on distance, which gives a smoother result. And in MATLAB, Gaussian filtering. Okay, the second parameter is sigma, controlling the strength of smoothing, and a higher sigma is more blur. Okay, run, and you can see that. Today, we learned three important filtering techniques: blur, median, and Gaussian filters. These filters prepare images for further processing like edge detection and segmentation. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll explore morphological operations. Thanks for watching.